This Thanksgrilling series, it's going to be huge.
You can't miss out on this.
Not this one.
Shoot, yeah, those Kingsford Pellets provide the best flavor.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started.
Hey guys, Chef Greg with recteq. Today we're bringing you the ultimate smoked pumpkin pie. And I gotta be honest with you, I wasn't a huge fan of pumpkin pie until I started cooking on a recteq. And my secret ingredient I'm gonna share with you today. Jody's Asian Persuasion. I'm telling you, you're thinking I'm crazy, right? Not at all. You've got the ginger in there. We're going to pair that up with Ray's warm apple pie. It's going to bring those cinnamon flavors in here. We're going to cook it on the RT700 using Kingsford maple pellets. It's going to be dynamite. Let's get started. Super simple recipe, guys. We're going to grab 2 eggs. We're going to put this in a big bowl here. We're going to give those a little mixaroo. And we've got 1 can of pumpkin puree. You can also elevate this a little bit. Go ahead and grab a pumpkin. You can smoke it off on the grill and have smoked pumpkin puree. I'm telling you, it's all about building layers of flavor. All right, now we're going to add our sugar. It's going to be 3/4 cup granulated sugar, just a dash of vanilla extract. And I told you, here's where we're going to get crazy. We're going to add in about a teaspoon of that Jody's Asian Persuasion. But I'm telling you, the flavor that comes out of that really just intensifies the pumpkin flavor. And we've got Ray's warm apple pie. That's got some apple sugar, some cinnamon. Super, super good flavor there. Don't forget the rubs. Solid, buddy. Very nice. All right, we're going to add in some condensed milk. All right, we've got this all mixed up. We've got a deep dish 9-inch pie crust. We'll go ahead and fill this up. And if we did it right, yep, all the way to the top. Again, we're going to cook this on the RT700 using that Kingsford maple pellets. It's going to take right about an hour. We'll see you at the recteq. Telling you, our smoked pumpkin pie, not only does it look delicious, it smells amazing. And it's really hard to let this cool down before you want to dig in. But I think it's about time I cut a slice, because if you're going to make the pie, you got to eat the pie. And I told you I love pumpkin pie. And again, my secret ingredient is going to be that Jody's Asian Persuasion, those Kingsford maple pellets, just really going to make this thing a home run. Now, I could wait for some ice cream, or even some whipped cream. But you know what? I ain't waiting anymore. I told you out there, I'm not a huge fan of pumpkin pie until I started putting that Jody's Asian Persuasion in there. Home run each and every time. Make sure you guys subscribe to Kingsford and recteq's YouTube channel for the latest and greatest content and all of those holiday favorite recipes. We'll see you at the recteq.